I'm Nicole Buckenmeyer, Vice President of Sales for Policy Genius, and I'm also currently serving as the President of LIDMA. We want to make a difference in people's lives. We want to help protect families, and the LIDMA Life Happens Scholarship really highlights what happens to families when they lose a loved one that didn't have life insurance. And I think that what it does is it motivates us to work even harder and to propel ourselves to never give up and try to protect as many families as possible.
The Life Lesson Scholarship is such an important initiative for LIDMA. What it's done for these young people is tremendous. Sets a great example. I can remember back when I was on the board years ago when they started this, and what a great opportunity. I know LIDMA loves doing this, and Exam 1 is 100% behind that as well.
We wanted to include insurance companies, vendors, exam companies, as not only members, but actively on the board, and we all were equal in trying to push the industry forward.
The LIDMA Conference is unique in that it brings carriers, direct marketers, and the vendors that serve carriers and direct marketers together exclusively in a venue which allows us to share ideas and bring ideas to life.
I think the LIDMA Conference is very unique in the sense that it's the only conference where carriers, distributors, vendors, cutting-edge technology providers, insurtech, fintech companies all come together in a collaborative fashion.
I think the LIDMA Conference is one of the more unique ones that we go to annually because it's really tied into creating a family amongst the membership.